Hey children, let's learn about the birds today. Have you seen the birds? I know you must have seen. Not all, but few. Hey, look at this picture. These are birds. We walk and run on the floor, right? Birds fly up in the sky. Birds fly with the help of their wings. Can you fly? No, because we don't have wings. How do birds eat food? They eat food with the help of beak. And interesting fact is, they don't have teeth to chew their food. Their body is covered with feathers. Their feet are known as claws. They use their claws to balance and stand on the branches, windows, etc. Birds lay eggs that carry their babies. Where do they lay eggs? They lay eggs in their homes, and their home is called as nest. Birds are of different sizes. Some birds are big, some birds are small. Parrot is small. Sparrow is tiny bird. Eagle is a big bird. Their colors also are different. And the color of their beaks are also different. A parrot has red beak. Sparrow has brown beak. Right? Next time when you see the birds, notice. Okay? They eat nuts, seeds, insects, grains, corn, wheat, and some birds eat other small animals. All the birds have feathers, claw, beak, wings, and most of the birds make nest in which they lay the eggs. And eggs carry the baby bird. This is crow. It is black in color and it caws. This is pigeon. It makes cooing sound. Coo, coo. This is sparrow, a tiny bird, and they chirp. Parrot. Parrot is green in color and it can mimic the sound of human beings if they are trained. Eagle. This is eagle and it makes screeching sound. This is owl and it is active at night. It cannot see in the daylight. This is a beautiful bird, peacock, which is our national bird too. And it makes squawking sound. Peacock is a male bird. Peahen is a female bird. Hey, this is a rooster. It has a crown on its head and it makes crowing sound. This is hen and the baby chick. They make clucking sound. Here is duck and the duckling and they make quacking sound. Quack quack. This is stork. It makes clattering sound. This is vulture and it screams. It flies very high in the sky. This is bulbul and it makes short chirping sound. This is a dove. This also makes cooing sound like pigeon. This is an ostrich. You know it runs very fast and it cannot fly at all. This is parakeet. It makes chirping or chattering sound. This is woodpecker. It loves to peck at the wood. It makes chirping sound. And kingfisher whistles. This is flamingo, a tall bird, makes squawking sound. This is a tailor bird. Did you notice? The nest of the tailor bird is different. And all these birds make their nests on their own without anybody's help. They help themselves to make nests with the help of twigs, cottons, threads, etc. This is all about the birds. When you go outside next time, try watching these birds, try to listen to their sounds and identify which bird is it. Enjoy! Bye-bye.
If you enjoy learning with Planet T, subscribe and press the bell icon. Don't forget to like this video with a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Leave your questions and suggestions in the comment box. Thank you.